This is yummy. This is delicious. This is super tasty. Is there any other synonym to no to deliciousness? Please put it in that comment section. That is what I've brought for you. Wow, this is perfect for any occasion, perfect for anything you want to eat. Let us prepare it together. In my pot, I have vegetable oil I'll be using. Heat it up a bit, and I added sliced onion into this. I'm just going to fry this onion for about 2 minutes in heat. Yes, you will love it if you do this. It will flavor the vegetable oil, and you will love the result. So I'm going to add this pepper mix into this. If you want to see how I prepare this pepper mix is based for anything, for jollof rice, for stew, for soup. It is well boiled already, so it saves time whenever you need it to cook. So if you want to watch it, it is available on this page. So check for it and enjoy it yourself. I brought it out in here, and now it is defrozen because I kept everything in the freezer. Now I poured it into the flavored vegetable oil. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much for everyone commenting, sharing my videos, for watching. Thank you so much. God bless you. So now I stir them together. After that, I'm going to add tomato paste into it. Yes, I added this tomato paste, and I also mix them together. I'm going to add chili flakes into it, and I'm going to also add meat stock into this. Yes, I always have it ready in my freezer. I'm going to add these 2 bay leaves into it. It is optional, but I always love it. Okay, so I gave them a good mix for them to become one, and I'm going to fry them together like this. It's now time to fry it, so I use this net to cover it. If you don't have this net, leave it open. So I fried it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to stir it together and to continue with other ingredients. First of all, after stirring it, I'm going to add seasoning into this, and I'm going to add salt into it as well. After that, I'll be adding prawns, fresh prawns into it. So I gave them a gentle mix for them to become one. I added boiled eggs into it. These are boiled, hard-boiled eggs. Okay, they are done. So I just took a knife and I gave them just two slices on them for those peppers to be able to penetrate and enter into those eggs. Yes, that is how it has to be. So I'm just going to use the spoon to mix them together gently. Do this gently, all right? So after that, for them to be really cooked together, I'm going to cover it and leave them to cook for about 10 minutes. This kitchen is full with super delicious saints, lovelies. It is super good here. So at this stage, I'm going to add more proteins into it. There I have beef, shaki, just rishi. So I'm just going to mix them together because those meats are already boiled, also roasted in the oven, so they're super done already. So I'm just going to allow it to be in this pepper for about 5 minutes. Let them fry together for them to become one. After 5 minutes, our stew is done. This is perfect for any occasion, ready and perfect for anything, for rice, for spaghetti, for whatever you want to enjoy with it. Let me show you how I rock this. This is what I headed with. Look at it. Tra la la. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.